Hello everyone. In this video, we will install Python Oracle DB and then create and run a Python application on macOS platform to connect to an Oracle Cloud Autonomous Database. So first up, we'll install Python. The Python Oracle DB driver is supported in versions 3.7 to 3.11 in macOS. You can install Python from www.python.org as you can see from the link here. We can check the Python version in the macOS terminal using python version. I have installed version 3.9.13. Next, we will install the Python Oracle DB driver. This driver is registered as Oracle DB in the PyPy or Python package repository. So you will see me using Oracle DB or Python Oracle DB interchangeably in this video. Now we can use the pip module with the Python command to work with Python modules and packages. To check the availability of a particular package, in this case Python Oracle DB, I use the show command under the pip module. As you can see here, the Oracle DB package is not yet installed. Let's go ahead and install the Oracle DB driver. So to install the Oracle DB driver, I use again the pip module with the Python command, but I use the install command under the pip module. It is always advisable to use the -- upgrade and the -- user attributes so that the latest version of the driver is downloaded without any access permission issues. As you can see here, the Oracle DB driver is now successfully installed. Let us now check if the Oracle DB driver is properly installed. We use the show command of the pip module again. You get all the details of the package, version, summary, author, etc. Now a quick tip here, if you are running behind a company proxy or firewall, you have to use the -- proxy attribute to specify the proxy details with the pip module as shown in the screen. Now let us run the Python command line and see if we can use the package. Here I am running import Oracle DB and there is no error here, which means that the package can be used in any Python program.
Next, we need to have an Oracle Cloud database ready. One can create an Oracle Cloud Autonomous database using an Oracle Cloud account, like I have done here using my Always Free account. Applications can generally connect to the cloud database using either the mutual TLS or one-way TLS authentication, which Oracle introduced recently. In the case of mutual TLS, you would need to download the wallets on the client side where you're running the app. However, this wallet download is not required for one-way TLS, although you may need to exercise some access control for it. I am going to use the mutual TLS here for old time's sake and download the wallet on my local machine. You need to click the DB connection button, select and download the wallet from the pop-up window that occurs. When you download the wallet, you also have to set a passphrase or password, which is especially useful for the PEM file, which has been included recently as part of the wallet files. You need to remember this password or passphrase that you set for the application that we'll use later when you connect to the Oracle Cloud database.
Now I have downloaded the wallet in the directory wallet_oci db demo. Note that we have the PEM wallet file and the tnsnames.ora network configuration file here, which will be used by our sample application that we'll see later. So inside the tnsnames.ora file, you'll see network aliases for this Oracle Cloud ADB, which is 3 configurations. I'll be using the high configuration for the Cloud ADB. Finally, we have the Python application that will connect to the Oracle Cloud Autonomous Database. So you can use your favorite text editor or an IDE like Visual Studio Code. I use Visual Studio Code because of its ease of use, low configuration requirements, and the availability of extensions for running any program quickly. Now I have created this application called connect_adb.py to connect to the Oracle Cloud database that you saw earlier. So in the application, we start off with the import section where we specify all the external modules and packages required for running the program. So in this case, I require Python Oracle DB module and the getPass module for fetching the password from the user in a secure manner without displaying it on the console. Next, we set the username as admin. You are free to create and use other usernames as you see fit. In the next line, I set the connect string. So for the connect string, I use the network alias for the high configuration of Oracle Cloud ADB that was shown earlier. Now, in addition to the username and the connect string, we get the user password and the wallet password, which is useful for the PEM file from the user. Now we pass all these user and DB configuration attributes to the connection function to create a connection object. We have the user credentials and the connect string that is set earlier. Then we need to set the config dir, which gives the location of the network configuration files. And finally, the wallet location, which gives the wallet file location. So these two locations can be the same or different directories. Finally, we'll set the wallet password for the PEM file. So when a connection object is created successfully, we can use it to access and work with data in the Oracle database. In this example, we are just going to print the database version. So let me quickly run the code. As I run the program, I need to enter the password for the user, which in this case is admin. Then I need to enter the password for the wallet. Then finally, if all the connection details are correct, you get the right database version. So in this case, the connection has been established successfully. That concludes this video. We have more videos on Python Oracle DB coming up. Till then, take care. Bye bye.